this is Betty from YGS Industry. Today I will unbox our Cityrover S5 electrical scooter, and I will make a brief introduction about Cityrover. Cityrover is a direct owned brand of YGC, and YGC is the most professional electrical scooter maker in China, and from beginning we have focused on making electrical scooters. So up to now we've already got so many different electrical scooter models, and today I will unbox this Cityrover S5, the best of the best. Okay, now I will unbox my Cityrover S5 electrical scooter. And first, let me take out the gift box. Okay, now I will open the gift box. Okay, let me see what you got in the box. At first, the user manual. And here is the charger. And the cable. And now it is handlebar. Take the lined styrofoam. Okay, now I'll take the scooter out of the box. Okay, now I'll take the scooter completely out. Take plastic bag. Okay, I'll unfold it. Here is the kickstand. And now I should install the handlebar. Okay, for the structure, the stem is carbon fiber materials, and the deck is aluminum alloy. Okay, from the design, this scooter design is pretty simple. You cannot see any exposed cable, and the steer headset is one-piece design. And here we also got a hook here, so we can hang on the wallet or purse and so on. Okay, for this scooter, the folding latch is very strong. And on the folding latch, we also got an extra lock, which can make sure the rider is safely. And here, when we push down, then it will lock, and it's very stable. And on the sandpaper, it's also got our logo, Cityrover. And this green cool shell, it is battery protective shell, and the battery is in the deck. So for this scooter, it is very easy to replace the battery pack. Okay, let's try its function. At first, turn on. Okay, let's recheck what we got on the screen. Here it is the speed and the speed gear, and here is the trip, and here is the battery status. As we know, this scooter got two motors, and now I will show you how to switch the different motor mode. And now it is the single motor mode. I will switch to the dual motor. Just need to long press this button. When you see this icon, it means the two motors activity. Okay, first let's try the single motor mode. You can see only the front motor is rotating. And now I'll try the dual motor. You can see the two motors are rotating together at the same time. And when the two motor activated, it with super strong horsepower. Let's check the different speed at different level. Now this is speed level 1. Let's try to see what's the max speed. This is 70 km per hour. Okay, let's check level 3. And the max speed is 26 km per hour. Scooter got speed limiter control, so we can also cancel it. We just need to take the handle off and take the speed limiter cable out. Then unplug it to get the faster speed. Now let's try the speed. Speed level 1. Its max speed is 24 km per hour. Let's try level 3. And faster speed is 35 km per hour. Of course, this scooter also got the lights. Okay, let's try it. We can click this button to turn the light on. The front lights turn on and the tail lights start flashing. And when we use the brake, the flash will stop. On the scooter, we also got a horn in it. We can click this button to use the horn. On this scooter, we also got a considerate USB output, so you can charge for your mobile phone or pad and so. And here it is a charging port for the battery. Let us check the suspension system for the electrical scooter. Now we will ride these two scooters to climb up this hill. I think that the hill is around 15 degrees. And this one is our Cityrover S5, and this is K6. Cityrover S5 because the dual motor mode can activate two motors together. And this guy is 85 kg. I am just 65 kg. He's much heavy than me. Okay, let's try to climb the hill to see what's the difference. This one is still the Cityrover S5 and the K6. Same riders. And just now we tried to climb a hill around 15 degrees. Now let's try a hill around 8 degrees. And let's try and take a look. What's the difference? Okay, now I will show you around our production area. Okay, here is our IQC department. And here we got battery vibration tester and battery discharging equipment. We use them to control our battery quality. And if we find the defect battery, we will return it to our supplier directly. Of course, our battery supplier, they got the more professional and comprehensive quality control and testing system, but we also need to check it again. Here is our charging test and burning test area. Through the burning test, we can control the electric scooter power system, especially the battery, better and make sure it is stable. And besides, before we make the shipment, we need to make sure the battery, electrical scooter battery get the full charging. To make sure the battery get a full charging, and then the scooter can store longer. Here is our electrical scooter durability tester, and through this tester and durability tester, we can make sure the scooter structure is strong enough. After all, the electrical scooter needs to be wide on the road.